guys? Coming here to the farm early this evening. We have Bird on camera. We're gonna try and see if we can get her done real quick. Landon is right there to your left, 35 yards in full strut. As soon as he comes out from around that tree, you should be able to plaster him. Alright, I'm on him. Yeah. Watch it in. Not even 10 minutes. Oh, God.
He never gobbled or nothing. Tell me the story. What?
I took his fannies, cracked the Pepsi, started talking about what were we talking about?
I don't remember.
Something. He said, "Uh-oh, he's right here." Come out full strut. Smoked him.
Dude.
He ain't twitching or nothing. He's just laying there.
I mean, I just looked up and saw him in full strut right there at 35 yards. You probably thought I was joking, didn't you?
I
got your Pepsi over here. I mean, I called 2 times.
How did he not see us walking in? He was close.
They had to be over there in the Red Road food plot. Or down in that valley right there.
Nice. Well, he steps out at 35 yards in full strut. And boy, I laid a smack down on him. I hammered him.
It's a good bird. He's pretty.
Very good bird.
What do you think that beard is? Oh, it's 10 and a half, 11 inches probably.
If I didn't shoot half of it off, I'd give him 11.
Got good hooks. Dude, that was fun.
Dude, 10 minutes, we was done, in and out. Can't believe it, ready to go home. Dang, Morton.
Is that not strange?
You want some?
Well, every spring for 5 long years I've been chasing down the same long beard. It's get up early and I give him all I got. Got me an old box called a brand new choke, and this spring it ain't no joke. I'm gonna fool him good and finally get